Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today I am going to be doing my February favorites. So it's my goodbyes and my goodbyes. So of course, let's start out with the goodbyes. But before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and take a moment and just hit that little subscribe button down below. Make sure that you also click on the bell right next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So I don't have a lot this month because I'm still trying a lot of other products out, but let's go over what I have been loving. I'm going to start with my Urban Decay Brow Blade. You guys, if you haven't picked this up yet, go get it. It is phenomenal. It's dual-ended, so one end has the pencil in there, and it's a very, very fine tip. And it's just got that perfect blend to it, so it's not so hard or waxy, and it's not so soft that it just doesn't like stick to your skin. And on the other end, you have this very, very fine tip that allows you to just go in and draw individual little hairs. And the one thing, it doesn't have a spoolie on it, so what I do is after I'll go in first with the regular pencil side, use my own spoolie, then I go in and do the individual ones, and right away I'll go in with the spoolie to kind of help soften them just a little bit. This is a little bit on the dark side for me, so I have to be very light-handed with it, but I love this. Another item I have been absolutely loving to the point I had to go pick up one more. These are the Essence Melted Chrome Eyeshadows. So I've got 3 shades now. Let's see if I can hold them all up here. And these are just phenomenal. They're only $4.49. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. So this is the color Zinc About You. And then we have the color Iconic. So there's Iconic down below. And then the last one here is Copper Me. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at that. So there's Copper Me. And you know what I'm going to do, because I don't have any type of a shimmer on my lid at all. I'm going to go in just real lightly. This is Zinc About You. There we go. Just look at that extra pop it gave to my eyes. So these are phenomenal. Okay, speaking of phenomenal and eyeshadow and essence, you've got to also get the Yes I Can palette. This is great. You get 24 shades in here. Let me open it up. These are what the shades look like. It's got names on everything. I did a video doing a look with this, so I will leave a card up here so you can go watch that. I love these. They are so good. They blend out like a dream, and it's Essence, so it's very affordable, and you just got to get it. I can't say enough about it. I've been drawn to this every day almost. Okay, and then I must be on this Essence kick here because I also picked up a couple of their new blushes. So these are their Matte Touch blushes. This one is Berry Me Up and Peach Me Up. So I will swatch these as well for you. Let's find a finger that doesn't have something on it. Put down the arm now. Okay. So, oops, down here, obviously. So that is Berry Me Up. So that is Peach Me Up. Now these blend out so nice. They're just velvety looking. They stay all day, and they're just gorgeous. I really have fallen in love with all of Essence blushes. I haven't found one yet that I've been disappointed by. And then the last Essence product is their new Color Boost Mad About Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have mine in the color Wanna Play. So this does have a doe foot applicator on there. It's got a very unique shape to it. And let me put this on over the top of what I'm wearing now. It smells like vanilla. They're very moisturizing. Go a little bit outside the lip line there. Oops. Anyway, they're just so comfortable. So I'm really enjoying these as well. Alright, the next item that I picked up, and I was so glad they finally got it in stock so I could get my hands on it. This is by Catrice, and it's their Illuminating Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. I love their mattifying one, but now I absolutely love this one in the dewy. I'm wearing it today, and it just gives that extra little bit of glow to your skin, and I think it just like softens everything up. So I'm really enjoying this, and it's got such a beautiful scent to it. It's not overly floral or anything like that, but it just smells really, really good. Okay. This is another new find for me. I picked these up at Fred Meyer. I got the last set that they had, but you can get them at Ulta. So I have links for everything down below, by the way. These are by EcoTools, and it is their new 360 Ultimate Blend Kit. So you get these 3 brushes. By the way, this is kind of the shape of them. And they're very, very compact. They remind me of the like Artiste oval type brushes where they're very, very dense. And they're great. Like this one is absolutely great for blending out your foundation. This one is perfect for getting your concealer. And then this would be good for, I haven't used this one yet, but it would be good for like a cream blush or a cream bronzer. Anything like that. You could also use it, you know, to get in those little tighter areas anywhere. But these are only $19.99, and I love them. I just love them. I think they're great. Alright, and the last item that I picked up is by Laneige, and it is their Vitamin C Serum, but it is a serum with hyaluronic acid in it, and the vitamin C concentrate in this is just totally concentrated. It's a 30% vitamin C. So what that means, it's like 1.5 times higher than the standard vitamin C that you get out of any other type of vitamin C. And it's multi-purpose, so it's got the vitamin C, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. This vitamin C serum for skin works to correct a variety of imperfections, including wrinkles, inflammation, discoloration, acne and / wound scars, and damage from UV and free radicals. This is going to result in a smoother, firmer, and well-hydrated skin, and I totally attest to that. My skin has become so much clearer. I take it all the way down my neck, my décolleté. I have noticed a change in my neck looking a lot, like I don't even have any makeup on this now, but it's probably red from having my shirt rubbed. But my neck can get kind of blotchy looking. My hyperpigmentation, like I have a really bad one here. I don't see it even though I have makeup on. It's just clearing everything up on my skin and evening my skin tone, I guess is the best way to say it. My skin definitely feels hydrated. I put it on first before I put in any of my skincare, so I use this both morning and night. I love it. $12.99. You can't go wrong. I will definitely be ordering more of this. Alright guys, now let's talk about my goodbyes. So I only have 2 items this month, so I think that's pretty good. The first one is the Milani Soft Focus Glow. So it is such a soft focus that it like barely shows up. Don't twist the top off. It even has a little label here. It has a pump on it. I'm always tempted to pull that top off or twist it off. So for starters, it comes out really kind of thick like that. So it's very hard to get into like an area to highlight. And it also, can you see that? Maybe not. Let me turn my ring light down real quick. It gets chunky. Maybe you can see that now. So you get these little dry parts that come out and you have to kind of like peel them off of there. But as far as illuminating, it's really hard to like get into an area. I'm not going anywhere today. what I've been doing is putting it on the back of my hand and then just gently tapping that out. It really shows off your texture. It doesn't really give you much of a glow. Not with. Try a little bit more on this side so I'm even. When you're first putting it on, it looks like it's going to do something, but then it blends away to practically nothing. But again, it just starts showing your pores. And I hate that. Hate that, I hate that. So, this one's a pass. The last item, luckily I've already done my video on this for you guys, but I was sent the Madison Reed hair color kit by them. And unfortunately for my hair, that product just did not work out. If you missed the video, I'll leave a card up here for it. I tried them in the past, and when they reached out to me, I thought I would give them a second chance, see if it would work out for me, and unfortunately it just did not. Go watch the video, it'll explain more in detail, but you'll see that I have recolored my hair with just a drugstore brand, the same one I always use, and it turned out beautifully. The one that they sent me, they told me to use only on my roots that have grown out. You'll see pictures in there where I just have this dark line and a bunch of grays still in there. And I left it on extra time. It didn't color my grays or cover my grays. It didn't match my hair color at all. Now, when I take the tips of my hair up here, I match. And there's no grays anywhere in my hair. So unfortunately that didn't work out for me. If you guys have used it, please leave me a comment down below. I'd like to know from somebody else who's tried it what their thoughts are on the Madison Reed hair color. So that's a short and sweet one this time, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. This just might be a bonus video for this week because I have so many ones that I've just got to get done. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, tell me what you have been loving in the month of February. And if there's any products you didn't care for, I'd love to hear from you and tell me what you liked and didn't like. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.